Hello everyone, welcome to M Chemistry classes. In this lecture, I am going to discuss the very interesting problem of electronic spectroscopy, which were asked in CSR NET December 2019 Assignment Meghalaya State Exam. Question is that the depth of the potential energy well of a polyatomic molecule is 20,000 centimeter inverse. हमें ये पोटेंशियल एनर्जी वेल दे रखा है पॉलीएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल का जिसकी डेप्थ है 20,000 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. द मॉलिक्यूल हैज 4 नॉर्मल मोड्स ऑफ वाइब्रेशन. मॉलिक्यूल के 4 वाइब्रेशन मोड दे रखे हैं, ν1, ν2, ν3, ν4. द डिसोसिएशन एनर्जी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल इज 18,000 centimeter inverse. The dissociation takes place along the normal mode. Out of these normal modes ν1, ν2, ν3, ν4, the question is that कि along which of these normal mode dissociation take place. So this is the question of electronic spectroscopy. So first we discuss about the concept of the electron spectroscopy of the dissociation of the molecule, then we solve this question. In electronic spectroscopy, dissociation of the molecule is represented by the Morse potential energy curve. This is the Morse potential energy curve, in which d naught is the energy from the ground state to the top. This is the top at which the dissociation take place molecule completely. तो ये जो कर्व हमारे पास, इस कर्व पे हमारे पास क्या होता है, यहाँ पर आकर मॉलिक्यूल का completely dissociation हो जाता है. तो d naught is the dissociation energy measured from the ground state to the top, and d is the energy measured from top to bottom. So dE is the dissociation energy measured from bottom of the potential well over depth of the potential well. So this is also is called the depth of the potential well. And so these are the vibration mode ν0, ν1, ν2, and this is ν4. And yeah, ν3 we can say that ki if ν0 is the ν1, then this is the ν2, and this is the ν3, and this is the ν4. So in the question is given that the depth of the potential well is 20,000 centimeter inverse. So this is the value of dE. So d equal to 20,000 centimeter inverse, and normal modes of vibration ν1, ν2, ν3, ν4, which are given in the question, and d naught is the dissociation energy measured from ground state. So this is the dissociation energy which are given in the question is the 18,000 centimeter inverse, and this energy from the bottom to the ground state is equal to the hν0 by 2, because vibration energy is equal to the n plus 1 by 2 into hν0. N is the vibrational quantum number, and for the ground state n value is 0. So energy of the ground state is equal to half hν0. This is also called the 0 point energy. So this is dE is then equal to the d naught, and this is the energy, ground state energy hν0 by 2. So sum of the dissociation energy and ground state energy is equal to the energy which are measured from the top to bottom over depth of the potential well. So we put the values in this formula. So we put the values in the formula. We get that ki 20,000 is the dE value is equal to 18,000 dissociation energy, and this is the hν0 by 2. So hν0 by 2 then become equal to the 18,000 on this side minus from the 20,000, we get the 2,000. So hν0 by is equal to 2,000. So hν0 is equal to then 4,000 centimeter inverse. So this is the energy values along which dissociation of the molecule takes place. So this is the 4,000 centimeter inverse, and in the question 4 normal modes of vibration are given. So in the normal modes, this energy is equal to the new form normal modes of vibration nu4 is equal to the 4000 centimeter inverse. So this is the normal modes along with dissociation of the molecule takes place. So this is the answer of our question, that ki along which vibration या normal mode of vibration along with dissociation take place. So this is the nu4. So remember that ki in the Morse potential energy, this is the depth of the potential well, this is the dissociation energy, and this is the energy of the ground state, and the energy on which dissociation take place is equal to the h nu naught. So we determine the value of this, and so this value is compared to this value, nu4 value. So this is the normal mode along with dissociation of the molecule takes place. And share and subscribe of our channel for further update about the lectures. And thank you for watching.